Okay, everybody, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make sure this form is filled out. Okay, what you're going to do is you're going to send your prospects to preapp.buyafuneralassistanceplan.com. All right, preapp, which stands for pre-application, buyafuneralassistanceplan.com. You're going to send your prospects to that link. They're going to fill out this form here. Okay, now make sure you want to tell them when they go to make sure to read this top part. Make sure to read this top part. Very, very important, because what it says is your email address. Well, on this form, y'all, there was no way for me to edit that to say sponsor's email. So what does it say? Please put your sponsor's email in the spot where it says your email in the box below, right here. Do not put your email address there. Please put your sponsor's email address in that spot. They will be notified once you've completed the form. If you do not know your sponsor's email address, please stop, get it, and complete the form. So before you send your prospect this form, you want to make sure you give them your email address and tell them to put it in the first email spot. Very important. When they do that, when they fill this form out completely, you will get notified of the form. You will get all the information. Now, this form is the pre-application. I even created a video right here to stress to them how important it is to do this and fill this form out completely. Okay, everything that has a red asterisk means, of course, it is mandatory. It's required. So their first and last name, phone number, address, city, state, zip. This is all the information you need for to do the application. So that way, once you get them on the phone and ready to put them in the computer and put them in the system, you don't have to worry about them saying, "Oh, I got to go get Mary Lou's birthday," or "I don't know the address." They're going to already have all this out. Now, I made the form so that the first four beneficiaries was mandatory. Okay, mandatory. When you come down here, like you see, the first four is mandatory. Once you get down to the fifth one, there's no star by it, right? First four, there's no star by the fifth one, all the way down. That means they must enter in at least four beneficiaries. Okay, now they'll have two spots left. You want to encourage them to please go ahead and enter these two spots. Also, the company wants the whole form filled out. The company wants all the beneficiaries on the plan at one time. Okay, by going in and telling people you can only put, you can put two on there and then email the company and put the rest of them on in 3 days. That's bogging the company's system down. That's slowing them down. All the emails coming in doing that. So they're frowning on that now. They want all of it in, you know. But I got right here four, because some people, we run into people that say, well, I don't have six people that I can put on there. I don't have any family and friends that I want to put on. So, but they're going to have to put at least four to get this form done. The last two are optional, but again, you want to implore them to go ahead and get all the information for all six before they fill this form out. So they'll have it. Okay, so it shows all six extra people plus them, right? Plus them. The emergency contact is up here, right here. So, and that emergency contact can be one of their beneficiaries. All right. So make sure they fill all this out, and then they're going to hit submit down here. When they hit submit, you will get a copy of this in your email. So now you'll have all their information. So when you get them on the phone, you can already have this populated and in the computer waiting. All you need now is their payment information. All right. But you got, very important, you must let them know that they have to put their email address. Your email address. I'm sorry, your email address right here. Once again, I was not able to change this word "your" here. It would not let me change it on the template right here. So that's why I put this right here. It's very, very important. All right.